Buffer meaning pronunciation B-U-H-F-R, meaning a buffer is something that helps reduce the impact of two things coming into contact with each other. It can also refer to a person or thing that protects or shields something from harm, or a temporary storage area in computing. Simple meaning: buffer equals 1. Something that reduces impact or protects. 2. Temporary storage. 3. A person who shields. Common uses. 1. Buffer noun. Physical. An object that reduces shock or impact between two things. Example: the car has a bumper buffer to prevent damage during a collision. 2. Buffer noun. Computing. Temporary memory used to store data before it is processed or sent. Example: the video is buffering because it's loading from the server. 3. Buffer noun. Person. A person who mediates or protects between two parties or situations. Example: she acts as a buffer between the managers and employees to resolve conflicts. 4. Buffer verb. To reduce the impact or smooth the transition of something. Example: the teacher tried to buffer the difficult news with positive encouragement. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. The cushion acted as a buffer, protecting the glass from breaking. 2. The video is buffering because the internet connection is slow. 3. A buffer zone was created to prevent the conflict from escalating. 4. He used the assistant as a buffer to manage his busy schedule. 5. The car's bumper serves as a buffer to absorb the impact of small crashes. Real-life explanation. A buffer is often used to protect or soften the impact between two things. In technology, it helps store and manage data temporarily. In social or professional contexts, a buffer refers to someone who smooths over issues or reduces tension.